you may be able to help solve a mystery. What if your mind worked like a television set? What if you could change channels at will, tune into programs no one else could see? And what if you could never turn the set off? The idea of a creature larger than a gorilla with an odor like a skunk might seem far-fetched. Tupac Shakur was executed by a hired assassin. That anyone can become famous overnight. Tears in the fabric indicate that Don had been stabbed before he was run over by the train. The horrors of a Nazi concentration camp. The two men, one black, one white, were in their late 20s or early 30s. In this country, they had earned their way into a respectable middle-class life. The men in black had been under the influence of marijuana. The Dream Factory, Christmas Miracle. Fact, fantasy, and history have come together to tease the imagination. We scream, we jump, we laugh, and we go home. Among them was a Franciscan monk named Espinosa, infamous for his ruthless ambition. According to the legend, he carried only 3 tools, a hammer, a saw, and a T-square. Elvis Presley died by his own hand. Friends in America's playground, Las Vegas, Nevada. The crash and dash practitioners. Cloaked in secrecy, they show up without warning. State their business, then vanish as quickly as they appeared, driving a dark Blazer-style vehicle. Perhaps the answer will come someday soon, when the skies open up over another small community, and the blobs once again fall to earth. A rational explanation is hardly necessary. They learned parts of a dismembered female body had been found in a remote corner of San Bernardino County. Curses, hexes, effigy dolls, and potions. Why was her skull left outside a local restaurant? And where is the rest of her